Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to discussing about Jenkins beginner class 14, how to set up delivery pipeline in Jenkins. Previous we learned for how the builds are like pipeline, how it is there, and how the chain process will work, right? To test for that, and we need to do first some chain required jobs in sequence order, and upstream and downstream jobs we need to create. For that, we need to create first creating the build and test and deploy job in Jenkins. It will flow, right? The chain process. The chain process purpose we are going to create for different jobs. Okay, and testing those jobs. First here Jenkins up and running. Then we need to create for new job, test, build job, freestyle I'm choosing and clicking OK. Now my test job is ready here, and I'm going to write on small script like Windows 1, that is Java hyphen version. I'm trying apply, save. Okay, my test build job is ready. Again going back here, then we need to build and test and deploy. Now again I need to create for test, for, for test, deploy job. Again freestyle, and again I'm going to choosing for Windows script because I'm working for now in Windows. Java hyphen version, apply, save. Now last one is deploy, and again I'm going to creating test, deploy job, freestyle. Okay, and build step is same I'm using. We'll learn for scripting format in next video session, and here just we are checking for how that flow it is working. Save. My three jobs are ready. We can able to go here down and see there are three jobs are presented: test build and deploy job and test deploy job. There are three jobs. Still there is no running scripts. Okay, first step is completed. Then and here these builds are working one the chained process, like one by one is working or not, and we need to see. Correct. Now we can able to run. If I'm running this one, it will not run here. Correct. Now I want to make it for these jobs interlink. How we can able to first job, it's not required to make it anything, but we can able to do for remaining two jobs. Then we can able to go here, test job 1 and configure, and we have that there are two different options. One is post build action place, we can able to get it for uh, deploy or no build other project. Okay, this is the option we have. We can able to choose here, and we can able to specify which particular one we need to execute. After that we can specify here. or else we have another one, build a trigger place, build after other projects are built, and you can able to check mark. Then here is trigger only if build is stable you can choose, and here we can able to specify which one. If you make it is a test build job, once test build job is executed, then if it is completed then we need to trigger this job. Okay, now I'm saving this one. Okay, then again I'm going to, oh sorry, now again home, we can come to down and deploy configuration place, build a trigger and build after other job is trigger, and test for test dependent job. Okay, now apply, save. Now there are three things is completed, like it will interlink for each job. Okay, now I'm going to run here my test. The till the date there is no running here. I'm going to here build now. Test build job is I run now. Test build job is running. Now my test build job is completed. Then it is started for test dependence builder, and again test deploy job. Three jobs are executed continuously. The chained process, and you can able to refresh here. You can able to see now three jobs are chained. Each job is running one after one. Okay, first this is the one happen, but here there is no option to see the properly whether this job is working as a child or not. For that we need to install for delivery pipeline plugin into our Jenkins. How we can able to do means just we need to go for manage Jenkins, and then you can come to manage plugins. Here available plugins place, we can search for this delivery pipeline plugin. Okay, and in my case I already installed here, and if I copy paste this one delivery pipeline, you can able to see here. Here there is a delivery pipeline. Okay, 1.4.2 is the delivery pipeline. You can able to install into your Jenkins. Once you install that one, come to home page and there is a plus icon. If you click that plus icon, you will see for delivery pipeline view or delivery pipeline view for Jenkins pipeline. There are multiple options you can able to see here. Okay, until that you will not see for the delivery pipeline plugin section, and you need to configure for delivery pipeline view configuration with the some adding information. Means this delivery pipeline view you have to select, and you have to provide some name, test delivery pipeline. Okay, now create. My delivery pipeline is I created. Now again you can able to see here number of pipeline instance for a pipeline, how many we can able to see. And this pipeline it will number of pipeline instance execution it will display. I can able to choose 10, or else we can able to choose for 5 right now. Number of columns we need to display here. One it is there, and you can able to two. You can able to mention maximum number of pipelines update and start build enable for this we will see in the later. These all the things we can able to modify. Now there is no pipeline right now, and we need to configure for our chained build. One second. This is our main place component, and which job component is test delivery, and we can able to specify what all the jobs we need to run. That is test build job. Initial job is that one, and we need to specify that, and then we can apply and save. Once you apply and save, we can able to see there are three things presented. One is this job. After this job we can able to see this job and this one. Now again I'm going to my main location. Again I'm going to run for this one, build job. Okay, now we can able to go top delivery pipeline place, and we can able to see now first job is executed 1 second back, then second job is executed, and third job executed. Now this started and execution is completed, right? Without refresh it is there, but every time we need to go for dashboard place and we need to do it every time, right? To do that we can able to configure some setups. 1 second. We can go here, we can able to specify some running for script here. It's not coming, and also it is not going for inside of delivery pipeline inside configuration editor. 'Why again it is not going inside of the configuration. Okay, one more time I will create here. I'll show that new one, and I'm not able to go inside of that. Now these all the things we can right, and here there is a configuration. and we can able to enable to start new build pipeline. We can able to check mark enable for rebuild, and means if you want to rebuild then you can able to check mark. If you want to enable to manually triggering for that build, we can able to do it here. Not only automatic, and if in case in the middle we can able to like it is failed but it is not triggering again, then that there are some errors are there presented in the git. That moment it is, sorry, it failed, then we can able to exit form manually, and you can able to provide some job description, what time absolute show the timings, and links and relative path and all we can able to specify. Adding for component text, and we can able to delivery, apply. Okay, now here there is a chained process, we can able to trigger here, and now it is executing. Now third one it is going here, and also we can able to rebuild, triggering for rebuild, and you will not get for first one but you can able to get it for second job onwards. And this flow it will show some different format of that, but it is not going there. We can able to see more view and configuration and everything. Edit view, let the view build history, and we can able to see what all the jobs are executed and all. Build history please, and we can able to rebuild in case if you want again to execute, or else if you want to execute this entire suite in one time for entire flow, then you can able to mention here. We done for adding pipeline and running and validation. We done for deploy, sorry, delivery pipeline. How we can able to use delivery pipeline, that we see the complete flow, right? In next video session, how we can able to build flow, that we will learn for next video session. Okay, that's all about this video. And if you enjoy this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Don't forget to share your friends and colleagues. Thank you.